Hello and welcome back. Today we have another Valentine's look. I'd honestly wear this any time of the year. Start out by priming the eyelids. Starting out with a warm mid-tone pink all through the outer corner and crease. Go in the outer corner with a brownish purple wine shade. I am obsessed with this shade. It looks almost white, but has the prettiest purpley pink reflect in it. Just swipe it all over. I decided to go in with this magenta shade. These eyeshadows are so soft that they blend like butter with your fingers. I wet my brush with setting spray and added even more sparkle. Repeat on the other eye. I made such a mess on this side, but that's why I do my eyes first. Lots of blending back and forth and adding more of the sparkle. Priming my face with a hydrating primer. Concealing dark circles and some scarring. I'm almost at the point where all I feel like I need is concealer. I'm definitely becoming more confident with my skin. Acne is normal and most people deal with it at some point. It's just frustrating dealing with it through your mid-20s and 30s. Using a thin layer of foundation and e.l.f. Halo Glow. Baking the T-zone and lightly powdering the rest of my face. Sweep off the extra powder. You don't want your under eyes to look cakey. Bronzing up the perimeter of my cheekbones, temples, and nose. I love the blush in this palette. It's basically a shimmery blush topper. Highlighting my cheek and brow bones, nose and top lip. Topping off my highlight with the lid shade for the magenta fuchsia sparkle. Framing the bottom lash line with the lighter crease shade and the lid shade. Always hit the inner corner with something shiny. It looks really pretty. Melt the powders. I wanted this eye look to be a softer look, so I used a skin tone shade liner to brighten the eyes. Finish off the eyes with some thin coats of mascara. lightly filling in my brows to define them slightly. Using brow wax to keep them in place all day. Using a soft nude pink lipstick to keep the look soft. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.